Welcome, everyone, to our journey through the delightful world of Brazilian drinks. Today, we'll be exploring the refreshing and lesser-known Brazilian beverage, Mate Gelado. Prepare yourself for an adventure filled with unknown facts, intriguing history, and of course, some delicious sips along the way. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of yerba mate leaves, loose or in tea bags. 2 cups of cold water. Ice cubes. Optional sweetener, sugar, honey, or agave syrup. Optional flavorings, lemon, mint, or fruit slices. To make Mate Gelado, start by placing 3 tablespoons of yerba mate leaves in a large pitcher or glass container. Pour 2 cups of cold water over the leaves, ensuring they are fully covered. Let the mixture steep in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to infuse the water with the mate flavor. After steeping, strain the mixture to remove the leaves. Next, add ice cubes to a serving glass and pour the chilled Mate Gelado over the ice. If desired, sweeten the drink with sugar, honey, or agave syrup, and add flavorings like lemon, mint, or fruit slices to enhance the taste. Stir well, and your refreshing Mate Gelado is ready to enjoy. Adjust the sweetness and flavorings according to your preference for a delightful and revitalizing drink. Have you ever wondered where it all began? Join me as we trace the origins of this beloved beverage back to the indigenous Guarani people, long before the Spanish and Portuguese arrived in Brazil. Legend has it that the Guarani people believed the yerba mate plant was a gift from the goddess Yari Yari, who bestowed this precious herb upon them as a token of love and unity. The Guarani people considered Mate Gelado to be a sacred drink, forming a strong bond with nature and their community. Mate Gelado isn't just a drink. It's a symbol of friendship, social bonding, and unity in Brazil. We'll dive into the fascinating culture of mater, and how sharing mate has become a cherished tradition in Brazilian society. In Brazil, Mate Gelado represents the circle of friendship and trust. When people gather to share mate, they create a circle, and everyone takes turns sipping from the same gourd. This act symbolizes equality and solidarity among those sharing the mate. Beyond its delightful flavor, Mate Gelado packs a punch of health benefits. From boosting energy to aiding digestion, we'll uncover the surprising advantages of this refreshing beverage. Mate Gelado contains natural xanthines like caffeine and theobromine, which contribute to its stimulating effects. Interestingly, these xanthines offer a balanced energy boost, making Mate Gelado a more sustained source of vitality compared to other caffeinated beverages. Preparing Mate Gelado is an art in itself. Stay tuned as we learn the traditional method of crafting this drink, from selecting the best yerba mate leaves to mastering the perfect water temperature for brewing. Sabado is the act of preparing Mate Gelado in a gourd and then sipping it before passing it to others in the circle. It is essential to maintain a delicate balance between the amount of water and the yerba mate in the gourd to achieve the perfect flavor and consistency. Let's explore the creative and unique variations of this classic drink that have emerged over the years, such as fruit-infused blends, sweetened versions, and even mate-based cocktails. Mate Batido is a popular variation that combines Mate Gelado with milk and sometimes condensed milk or honey. It's a delightful and creamy twist on the traditional Mate Gelado, loved by many Brazilians, especially during hot summers. Mate Gelado has become a popular drink in our cafe here in Europe. People love its unique flavor and the cultural experience that comes with sharing it. In Brazil, Mate Gelado is often served in traditional ceremonies, symbolizing respect and friendship. Join us as we witness a heartwarming family gathering where Mate Gelado plays a significant role in strengthening bonds. The calabash gourd is a traditional container used to hold Mate Gelado. It's believed that the unique shape of the gourd enhances the flavor of the mate and helps maintain its temperature. Each family often has its heirloom gourd, passed down through generations. Now that we've explored the rich history and culture of Mate Gelado, let's have some fun and learn how to make some mouth-watering Mate Gelado recipes. This refreshing tropical mate punch is perfect for a sunny day at the beach or a backyard gathering. Let's mix it up. For a nutritious and creamy twist, try this Mate Gelado smoothie. It's a delightful way to boost your energy and cool down at the same time. Let's celebrate with a sparkling Mate Gelado mocktail. This alcohol-free concoction will make your taste buds dance with joy. As we enjoy the wonders of Mate Gelado, let's also consider its impact on the environment. Sustainable practices are essential to preserve the delicate ecosystem that nurtures the Yerba mate plant. Choosing fair trade Mate Gelado ensures that the farmers and workers involved receive fair wages and work in safe conditions. It also supports environmental conservation initiatives, making a positive impact on the communities and the environment. Our journey through the world of Mate Gelado has been nothing short of amazing. From its ancient origins to its modern variations, this drink has truly captured the hearts and taste buds of many. I hope you enjoyed discovering these unknown facts and trying out the delicious Mate Gelado recipes. As we bid farewell, remember to share the joy of Mate Gelado with your friends and family. Until next time, cheers to the wonders of Brazil and its delightful drinks.